Jonathan Spencer. My favourite student is Greenstein. He's just brilliant. Why, he loves the Macintosh like me. He helped me create the dance, part 2. XY9 to 17 do a spin. Enter. The original is X76. Look at the screen. Enter. Do the dance. Anyway, back to my story. When I was at university, and I was one of those bright students, I was quite the geek, up until I ran the computer club. I used to love the mouse. I made a portable mouse. Why, in a lesson, I thought a phone was a mouse. I went mad. I was pressing click and nothing was happening. Why, it was so funny. When I went home, I told the Macintosh. I had a deep conversation. Why, we joked and laughed all night. Shared tequila shots. It started getting a bit haywire. So I said, it's a bit of time for loving. So I had a big wank. Pressed Alt Shift 9 and saw the logo. Did the Macintosh. And then I kissed all over that screen. Then I used my tie and wiped it up. The same one I wear every day.
I ate my smoked salmon and cucumber sandwich.
It was quite a funny story. I was in a lesson. Someone came up to me and said, "What are you eating?" I said, "A smoked salmon sandwich." He said, "How did you make that?" He said, "The Macintosh." I rolled a split with the Macintosh. I got high with the Macintosh. God bless the Macintosh.
I had sex with the Macintosh with June.
June. Mellow. Why? The Macintosh, I taught it to say mellow.
Cartoon mode.
Okay.
Alright, so